So we know it's
Is it Whitby?
Yeah, it is. Look, the abbey and the church. You can mainly see the church because the church is behind the abbey.
Well, I can definitely see the clock tower of Whitby.
Oh, that's here, definitely.
Yeah.
You can see the abbey in the background. Looks very different though.
This is when the abbey wasn't blown up. Wasn't blown up. Destroyed now. You can almost see our house. Yeah.
And every time I walk over the bridge to go to the coffee house, I always see that. So I know that it's Whitby because of the giant clock tower.
Yeah. But abbey doesn't seem to be wrecked there, so it must be very old.
Yeah.
And I think that's a cannon there.
That looks like a cannon. Maybe it is. Kaboom.
And I can't really see many shops because now there's loads of shops, but then when it was those times they didn't have much material left to build shops.
I kind of think it's a Harbour that kind of dark because usually the Harbour has loads of tiny boats, and it's just one giant one.
I think it might be like a picture of where, because there's a boat here and then a bunch of people, so like where there's another person setting off.
Yeah,
for another
because there's people there.
Yeah.
Looks like they're waving off that boat. Looks very different to what it is now though.
What is that? That's like a giant half of a gnome head.